Clear rejection at 253. Clear, very clear rejection at 253. Hi, everyone. So in the morning, 9:30 a.m., when I see the candle, the first candle, I mean 5 minutes candle, I follow always. So when I see this candle, what I see is a kind of doji candle. I also see that it got rejected at 252-ish level, and it went down, and it also found a support at around 248.80, something like that. So from this candle, if we just zoom into this candle, what I see is it's not going to be a clear uh, breakthrough from this resistance of 253 something level. I don't really think it will go above 253 very easily, at least for today. That's how I feel about this doji candle. If it's gonna go above 253 easily, then it shouldn't be a doji candle. That's what I see. That's how I see this doji candle. So 9:45, the third candle, if you look at the third candle of the day, you can clearly see that it got rejected at 253 level, a little bit above 253, I guess. It just touched 253 and came down. So I don't really think it should go above. And also, I don't really think it will lose the support of 249. It shouldn't come below 249. At around 10:30, I see a move, but I do not see this move very strong. In my personal opinion, it's not that strong move that it will go above 253 and touch 256 or 257. I do not see it that way. It's not really that strong move. So at noon or before noon, it came below 250, and I mean, it got rejected again at 253 level, and it came down below 250, but it got a support and it bounced back again. So I'm not, it's a really confusing situation right now. And even if it goes up, I don't really think it can cross 253. So right now it's 128, almost 1:30 p.m. And the candle I see at 12:40 is not really a good candle. It touched 253.59, and from there it uh, actually came down to 251. At exactly 12:40, there is a huge red candle. So I believe 253 is the resistance, at least for now. Maybe next week it's going to cross it, or it's going to be above 253. But for today, I think so far 253 is the resistance. Sometimes it also happens something like this, that it actually tried an effort, and with a huge, quite big green candle at around the resistance level, but after that it crashed. Uh, Possible scenario is that for today. And the reason I'm saying is today is Friday, last day of the week. So I don't really think it has the ability to go above 253. And I don't think so. Maybe next week. Maybe next week it's gonna cross 253 because the entire day market was not that strong, in my opinion. So right now it's 1:36 p.m. Eastern time. I'm from New York, uh, I do not really see any possibility now to go above 253 again. And I think the close of the day should be between 253 and 250. Even if the people start to sell, I think the market should not go below. Oh, sorry, I'm not sharing my screen. Uh, I do not really think it will go below 250. It should not close below 250 end of the day. And it should not also close above 250. So I'm kind of in the range between 250 to 253. 253 is my resistance and 250 is kind of my support. And I did not uh, buy it back. The position I took yesterday at 253 level, I did not buy it back. Maybe I'm really hoping that it will go to 259. I will do some more short selling, I guess. That's my plan. So I'm uh, saying a goodbye for today. And thank you so much. If you like my videos or if you have any advice for my videos, please do share in the comment section. Thank you.